Hello, we'll get started maybe like around like 7:03. So, yeah. Hello, we'll get started in just a little bit. Wait, Dia, I don't know if you know this, but like you're presenting your screen right now. Okay. Hello. Dia, do you have a question?
I don't think I'm done with my assignment.
That's fine. None of these are really for homework right now, so you don't have to worry about it.
What?
None of the assignments that we've been doing have been homework. So, if you haven't finished them yet, that's okay. Since it's 7:03, I'm gonna start. So unfortunately, no, but I think today is like one of the last days we have for 2D designing. So next week we should be able to start getting into learning about the 3D tools and starting off with some basic 3D projects. But for today, let me present my screen. We're gonna be working on the dog face drawing. I'm just gonna share my entire screen for now. All right, can you guys see this? Okay. Okay, Michael, you weren't here for the last two class or last couple of classes. Um, we posted a link to our YouTube on Classroom. So if you weren't here for like the past couple of classes, you could just check that because we posted like the full lessons online. So even if you weren't here, you could just like check through. Um, Mainly for the last two classes, we've just been doing the assignments on Classroom, like going over them. Okay. So if that helps, yeah. All right. So today we're gonna be doing the dog face drawing. So like before like I go straight into drawing, right? Let's just take a look at what we have. So obviously looking at this, right, we're gonna use the arc tool and the circle tool a lot just because like let me see if I can get the hint highlighter out. Basically it's like how you can see of all these like rounded edges and stuff like that. Also, another notable part of this drawing is you guys can see how the center line is going directly through the middle and it's going both above a little bit and below a little bit the drawing. That basically means that like the drawing is perfectly symmetrical. So similarly to how we did the previous exercise, right? If we want to, we can mirror over some aspects of this drawing just for like ease of time and stuff like that. Okay. And then okay, for this drawing, we're going to be needing to know the difference between radiuses and diameters. Do you guys want me to explain that, or do you guys got that? And also, if you guys could just like unmute or like put your hand up, because when I'm presenting, right, I can't really see the Zoom screen, so or Google Meet screen. Do you guys need clarification on the difference between radii, and diameters?
No.
Alright, cool. Well, I think we went over it in one of our first classes. Oh, someone put their hand down. Do you have a question? Oh shoot.
Wait, so what's the radius? Wait, I just think I forgot.
Oh, that's fine. I'll just go over it really quickly then. So you guys see how I have this circle right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so a radius, for example, would be the middle of the circle to the outside, right? So it's half the length of the circle. While on
Yeah.
the other hand, I'm going to draw this in a different color. A diameter would be the full length of the circle, right? And you can kind of see how it's denoted in two different ways. So whenever we use the circle tool, right, we're putting our dimension in using a diameter, right? So you guys can see how I'm gonna just highlight it so you guys can see it a bit easier. Over here, it says like there's like that weird symbol of like a circle with like a slash through it and 10. That's the diameter symbol for drawings. And then when it says R of 47, that's just radius of 47, right? So just like as like a quick conversion, right? Between converting to radius to diameter and diameter radius, uh the diameter of a circle is twice the radius. So if you want to convert between those two measurements, just like double the radius or half the diameter to get the other one. All right? Okay. Uh, so yeah, that was one of the main things I wanted to go through. And with that, we should be able to start with the drawing. Okay, let me just get rid of that highlight really quickly. So I'm just gonna start off with like what I feel like would be the most easiest thing, which would be the circle in the middle with a diameter of 28, right? Okay, so starting off with that. Now, what other things would be the most easiest to do? Okay, so you can see how like I think it's a part of the dog's like kind of like face in a sort of way. Like these two things right over here. Let me just like highlight them. Like there's a circle here and there's a circle here, and they both are fairly dimensioned. So I'm just gonna do one of them and probably just like mirror it across. All right, so looking at the dimensions, it's down 42 and then it's to the left, also 42. And it has a radius of 17. So if I'm converting that, right? Right, let me just get the construction lines really quickly out. So, as I said, it's down 42, and it's to the right 42 as well. And if you guys are doing it this way, just make sure that your construction lines are perfectly horizontal and perfectly vertical. Or another way that you could also do what I just did pretty quickly is you could just make a construction rectangle, a corner rectangle with that, and then just put in the dimensions because that basically ensures that it's a 42 by 42. Okay. And then, as I said before, it has a radius of 17, I believe. Yeah, checking back. Yeah, radius of 17. So, oh, just like checking back, if we want to convert that to a diameter, right? Because you always use, like, you have to use the diameter tool when you're using this. You have to use the diameter measurement when you're using the circle tool. I don't really want to do the math right now, so I'm just going to do 17 plus 17 to just get a diameter of 34, right? Uh, and also I'm just gonna add a mirror line. Someone had a question.
Yeah, how did you do that?
How did I make the circle?
No, like, how did you do the 17 plus 17 thing?
Okay. So in Onshape, right? It allows you to, like, if you just like want to be lazy and not use a calculator, right? It can just allow you to put in like simple mathematical equations, right? So
No, but like, how did you get to that number? Like, I know about the math, like, that's easy, but like, how did you type in the number?
like how did I just put it into it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I start off with the circle tool, right? And you see how it's kind of highlighted. Like you see like the
Yeah.
box.
Uh-huh.
So when it's like that, you can just directly type it in. So let's just say I want to have a dimension of 12, right? It's pretty small, but yeah. Or another way you can do it is like if you can't get it to be like that, and like you just have like a weird circle, you could just always go back with the dimension tool and do it that way because it also automatically puts you in. And both ways you can get a diameter of 12. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, I'll start moving on. All right, so we got the part that I highlighted in blue done right now. So I'm just gonna go back. So looking at it now, I feel like the next easiest thing to do would be this part right here. All right, so looking at it, it has a dimension of a radius of 42. So once again, and it also looks like it is centered at the origin or where the nose is right here. So it looks like this circle, this arc, both have the same center. So I can just use that information to quickly come back here. And it had a radius of 42, so I can just go 42, 42 plus 42 is 84. So I can just input that. And then now we have that circle. Obviously, there's only like half a circle over here, but we can always just like fix that up by like using the trim tool to make it more specified to our dimension. All right, next, what I'm gonna look towards is this dimension right here, like that bridge between the nose. And also it looks like it has the same circle as this. So, and looking at it, it has a radius of 48. So I'll just do something similar for that. So 48 plus 48 is 96, but I'm just gonna put it in just if I don't feel confident with my math. Alright, so that's there. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna start trying to work on the eye part now, right? Because we can see that it has a clear dimension of a distance of 47 up. I'm not 100% too sure how far it is horizontally. I'll just leave it that way. Alright, yeah, for now I'll just leave it that way. So since I'm not 100% too sure how far it is horizontally, I'll just create a construction line and not let it have a defined value, so I can always just fix it later. But we know for sure it is a distance of 47 up using this dimension right here. Okay. And it is two circles right on top of each other, one with a diameter of 10 and one with a diameter of 22. So I'm just gonna make that quickly. 47, then first circle, and now the second circle. Alright, perfect. And I can always, and since I didn't define it, I can always just move it over and define the horizontal measurement later.
Rishi, it's
Yes?
the eyes are tangent to the diameter 96 circle. That's how you find the horizontal distance.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I'll just add that in later. Yeah, I'll add it in when I start making them. Okay. Alright, continuing on. Oh yeah, sorry, thank you, John. I forgot to say that. I'm gonna try making this arc right here, and it seems that they both have the same center. So I'm just gonna make a construction circle instead, because all these overlapping circles are kind of confusing me. So 55 is 55, and I can always just like make an arc here when I need it. Yeah, perfect. Oh, okay, yeah. There's also something weird here. I'm not really weird, but okay. Then there's also this half circle that you guys can see as well. And this one, it has a dimension. And you can see right here, it is 42 down from the center. So I'm just gonna add that in real quick. So Q, construction line. Oh, construction line. It's 42 down. Add that in. Oh, perfect. It lines with all that stuff. Then it has radius of 50. Perfect. Alright. And I can trim out the bottom part because we don't need it. Because it's just going to be an arc that I'll add in later. Okay. So right now we have the nose done, we have the eye done, and we have part of the mouth done. Okay. What else can we do? Okay, so we have this part done, we have this part done, we got this circle in, we have this circle, okay. Yeah. Alright, so we need to have this big circle with R of 47 in, and you can see that has a center right here. Wait, John, do you know how to get like the dimension from like the center mark to the origin? Or
I think you have to use that as tangent to the eyeballs.
tangent to the eyeballs? Okay. Right. Oh yeah, so some parts you do need to calculate just by like looking at it, and it's kind of tough, but once you guys like start just like looking at more drawings, it helps a lot. But as you guys can still see, it can still mess me up. Okay, so we know it is tangent to the R48 circle by like this part right here. So R48 has a diameter of 96.
Just make the eyeball tangent to the lower circle, then make the bigger circle, make that tangent, so you don't have to do any of the math. It does it for you.
Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Let me just check which circle is which. R48. This one is 42. This one is 96. Okay. I'll just make this one tangent. That's perfect. Oh, that seems good. Alright, and then since we don't know the exact vertical height of the other circle, I'm making a construction line, not width on it. And I believe it had 4 diameter. Yeah, perfect. And the other thing that we know about it is that it is tangent to the eyes. So let me just add that in. Perfect.
Wait, how did you get the center point for the 94 diameter circle?
94 diameter circle. Okay, so we don't know exactly where the center point is. We just gotta base it off of like it's it's just wait,
I said it wrong earlier. You see how there's the lines for the ears?
Yeah.
It's tangent to those lines. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
So it'll fix itself later.
Yeah. Okay. I was thinking I did something wrong. All right. But yeah, so sometimes when you don't have dimensions, you just have to like base it off like the properties that it might have connected to other things that do have dimensions, and then like later on in the drawing, it'll just kind of work itself out. That's like the best explanation I can give you. Sorry. Okay. So, as John said, we use the ears to. We're gonna need to use the ears to find the proper dimensions for the diameter 94 circle. So I'm gonna start working on the ears, right? So the ears, they are down 42 plus 13. I could just like do the math with the construction line, so that's fine, and then it's across 83. And since we know that's perfectly symmetrical, I'm just gonna do it on the left side because that's what I'm working on. Alright, so yeah, 42 plus 13, so that's 55. Alright, so I'm gonna put I don't know if that was a construction line. I'm gonna put a construction line down here, and I'm gonna go across 83, I believe. Let me just check back. Yeah, 83. 83. Oh, does someone have a question?
Yeah, for the middle circle, what is the radius? Because I put 28 and it's not. It's like really big.
It's really okay. Yeah. So that should be fine because I think you're in inches right now, and I put mine to millimeters just because I like it to be a bit smaller. But it's fine. It doesn't really change anything. You just need to like zoom out a little bit.
Okay.
Do you have a question?
How do you plug in?
Using the dimension tool.
Click. Like, I've been watching you for now, and I just want to see how you add in there. Do you click document folder? Document.
You create a new document.
Okay.
No problem. Alright. Okay, checking back into the drawing, we can see that it has a radius of 26, right? With this dimension. So switching that to diameter, it'd just be 26 plus 26 to switch it to diameter. Wait, Thea, I think you still have your mic on.
But it was just off.
I don't know. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So now we have that in. I think that's one of our last dimensions. Okay. Now we just have to like look at the properties of some other stuff to just get to like finish the drawing, right? So as you can see, kind of like by this line right here, that like I've highlighted, I'll just like unhighlight all the other stuff. It seems to be tangent to both the ear circle and also the eye circle, right? And if you guys don't know what tangent means, it just means that it's touching it at exactly one point. So I'm just gonna make a big line. It doesn't really have to have any proper dimensions. And then I'm gonna make it tangent to the eye circle. Perfect. I'm gonna use the tangent tool again to use it on the ear circle. Alright, that should be good. And now, as John said, we can use. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit longer. We can use the fact that this arc right here, right? The R94 one, right? I mean, the R47 one, right? It is also tangent to the eye. So we can use that fact to just start the arc, right? It doesn't really have to be perfectly tangent yet, but just make sure that it's like facing the right way. And then it's going to be R47. Yeah, okay. R47. And then using the tangent tool on both the head part and the eyes, we can get that dimension perfectly. And
What type of arc did you use?
what type of arc? I used a 3-point arc. And that one right there.
How did you get it tangent to the perfect curve? Like, what did you tangent it to?
Okay. So you see this point right here where the line intersects the circle, right? Do you have that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I started the arc from here, and I just like put it wherever on like the center line, right? Because I'm gonna like mirror it across eventually. It doesn't really matter where I put it just yet, as long as it's curving the right way. Like as long as it's curving, like the opening is downwards rather than like, for example, if I have it like this where the opening is upwards, right? So as long as nothing like that's happening, and then I made it have a radius of 47 as per the dimensions, right? And I think this is the part you were confused on. So right now it's just at this point, right? It doesn't have like any like set constraints, but as long as I put this arc tangent to this circle right here, it should fix itself in place.
Okay.
Alright, so I think one thing I forgot was I just forgot to like do this arc right here. Right? Just gonna point it out so it doesn't confuse it. I think I just forgot to put it and I just left it as a construction line, so I'm just gonna add that in right now. Okay. I'm just gonna make an arc. Like that. Alright. So what don't I have right now?
The R30 on
This
the
one, right?
like the sides of his face.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay. So for this one, right? Alright, so number one, I'm gonna make a vertical line tangent to the eyes and also going down. And I'm just like gonna put it on the other side. It's the mirror tool. This is getting a bit cluttered on the left side. You guys don't have to do this, but I'm just gonna do it so it looks a little bit nicer. Cute. Nice. Okay. So now that that is there, then it just needs to be it starts that point, comes over here. Okay. Wait, just give me a second to like focus this out. It seems to start at around like this point right here. Yeah. And then there's an R30 arc to the circle, and also it looks like it's tangent. So let me just make that real quick. Alright, it's gonna be like that. It's R30, and then it is tangent to this. Never mind, that seems wrong. I think it's tangent to the line. Alright, I'm just gonna like clean everything up a bit because I think I'm kind of getting confused. Alright, sketch. I'm just gonna make you guys don't have to do this at all. I'm just like gonna make it a bit neater. Yes.
I think the radius 30 arc is not tangent to the line, but it is tangent to the circle.
Yeah, okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I was thinking
Okay.
I might have done something wrong. And then I'm gonna get this line right here. That should be everything I need. Yeah. And there, across. Somewhere. Alright, and that should be it. Someone ask a question?
Yeah.
It's me.
So for my dog skills,
Mm-hmm.
I'm like really confused. I did like the three circles in the middle,
Yeah.
and yeah, that's all I did.
Okay. I'll try to like help you after like clean this up because I think I'm finished with it. But if I can't, and it might help you just like go back to like the recordings that we have.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay. And for now, I'm just like going by
So what
the.
should I do right now?
Just following along for now because I think I'm pretty much done with this. Because I'm just like for now, I'm just like cleaning up using the trim tool.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, but wait, John, do you know why it's like not filled?
Um, I got to work on mine. I'm not really sure. Uh, so wait. Um,
That's fine.
sorry. Could you like go back to the part of? Also, I think there might be something wrong with the arc on the top, as mine has the center.
That's what I was thinking as
Like,
well.
like mine has the center, like on like in I don't know how to say it.
Yeah,
The center of the
I get
center.
what you mean. I'm just gonna make this tangent to that as well. That works.
Yeah, that's right.
That was 47, right? I think I might have did something, but for the most part, this is how you do the drawing. Wait, John, do you just want to present your screen really quickly? Because I think I might have messed something up, like something small.
Mine's like partially done.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
So just give me 1 second.
No problem. Yeah, but for now, if you guys have any questions, we'll help you. And I know, Smriti, if I'm saying that right, I'm sorry. And if I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry. Um, okay, so what did you need help with?
Um. So like I created the three big circles in the middle,
Mhm.
and I don't understand how to make the eyes.
Make
And
the
the
eyes.
yeah, and the what do you call it?
Like this part?
Yeah, that part and the part where it's like two circles that are connected in the middle.
Okay, yeah, I think I messed it up on mine as well. Let me just like fix them so you can see it a bit. Um, then there was
Like the nose.
84. And this one, right? 84 should have. Yeah, like that. Okay. Mhm. That's probably where I messed up. Or, yeah, I think I messed up a little bit, but yeah, I can help you. Wait. Oh, I think my screen just blacked out. Okay. So what did you need? You need help making this part right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, wait, can I share my screen?
Yeah. Um. Okay. Yeah. I'll help you right after. Oh, did you switch to metric after I told you?
I don't know how to do that. I just did like the MM.
Okay. Just. I'd say just like get rid of those circles. Just like because like those dimensions, they're like It'll just like mess some stuff up.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So start off with the diameter 28 circle in the middle. And just like zoom out, it's gonna be pretty big.
Sorry.
And
What?
just like zoom out because it's gonna be like a pretty big circle.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be fun.
I also kind of did the same thing. It was really big.
Yeah.
Can I just
Uh,
go? I just need a leaf for a bit just to get chapstick.
yeah, that's fine. Don't worry. No, but guys, if your circle was like really big in the beginning, that's fine because it's just like the conversion between um metric to inches. If you guys, if it bothers you guys, you could like try to restart the drawing, but like I just recommend sticking with it. Okay. So you got the circle in the middle, right? And
Yeah.
it has a diameter of 28. Okay, so then looking back to the drawing, right? I'm still presenting so you can see. Oh, I'm gonna switch to the cami so I can like edit it a little bit. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so there's like a lot of circles that have the same, or a lot of like radiuses, circles that have the center point of the origin. So obviously, the one in the middle would have the same center point. This one right here has the same center point. This one as well has the same center point. What?
Is that the same circle or those two different circles?
Those are two different circles. I'll just highlight the measurements
Oh.
to the circles as well, because this one's has a diameter of 110, and then this one has a diameter of 84, and then this one. Hmm. This one you can worry about a bit later. I think I might have messed it up. But yeah, those main circles should be fine. Let me see if I can fix my drawing.
So what should I do right now? So should I like make another circle that has a diameter of 84?
Yep, 84 and then 110. But like, you're gonna want to like zoom out like a lot.
Yeah. Okay. 84.
Those. Okay.
And then 110. Okay.
You got them?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so from there, I think I started going towards the eyes. So if you look back to the drawing, right? You can see that. Oh wait, actually wait, no, don't start with the eyes. Um, okay, so you see like I think like it's a part of the mouth, but this circle right here, and then the circle for the ear, those are also pretty easy dimensions to get because they're clearly defined as. Okay, so this circle, it's 42 down, and it's 42 across from the origin, right? And then the bigger circle for the ear, it is 83 across, and then it's 42 plus 13 down. It's just 55, but like, yeah.
So how would I do that?
Alright, I'll just finish the sketch out for now. Hide it. I just use construction lines. Oh, forgot to do a sketch plane. Construction lines, or just using the rectangle tool. Just go like, oh,
Construction line. So what do I click? Construction line.
click the line. Oh yes, sorry. Uh, I use just like keybinds. So if you guys need to like ask where something is, that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Oh, someone else has a question. Yeah, you just click the line tool and then the construction tool as well. And then go down 42, go to the right 42, and then make the circle.
That's 42, and then what?
Then it's also 42 across.
No, I need to do the dimension because
And then just look back for the dimension of the circle.
which one? The big one.
The smaller one for the mouth. So I'll just highlight it in green. This one right here. Boop.
Oh,
And you can check the dimension, which is right over here.
so 7.
So if it has a radius of 17, what would its diameter be?
34.
Yeah, exactly. You just need double the radius.
So I put the circle like right here,
Yep, at that center. At that point, exactly. Yeah.
and then
Dimension tool, yeah.
34. Okay, and then I did that.
All right, and then the other one is down 55, and then
From
from the center, from the origin.
okay, so it's down 55.
Yeah, make sure it's vertical,
55, and then what?
and then it's across 83.
Oh, 80.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Let me fix this.
And then
So how would I make sure if it's straight?
okay, you just like do it in two ways. So either you just like keep it, like you see how it's like kind of orangish.
Where?
Like I just like go to my screen.
Uh-huh.
You see how it's like kind of like orangish.
Yeah.
You could do that, or you could just like have any old like just like randomly have it anywhere, and then use the horizontal tool. You have to look it up, so it's kind of annoying, but or you could just click H and then you just do it that way.
Okay. So it's 8. And then... Okay, I think my lines are good.
It's good.
And then the radius for the other circle is
It's
26. 26 times 2 is 52.
perfect. Yeah.
So okay. So what would I do now?
Okay. What to do for now? Then I'd have the eyes, right? So I think this is where I messed up because I think I just like put the eyes in the wrong horizontal location.
Yeah.
But alright, so I'm just gonna like do it on my screen as well. So wait, just give me a minute. So sketch 2, this should have a diameter of 34, I believe. 34. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to where you are quickly. So there should be a circle 28, 28, then there's 84, 84. 94, and then there's 96. 96. Oh wait, not that yet. Not that yet. Okay. I think what I messed up with the eyes is just where it was. So the eyes vertically, they're 47 from the origin, right? So I'm gonna like keep them kind of like that. So it was a bit weird, but I just didn't dimension the horizontal construction line. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. But I'm gonna dimension the vertical construction line to 47, right? And then on this, I'm gonna put the eye, which the first one has a diameter of 10. And then
I
the
have a
second one,
question. How much did you do the horizontal line for?
I didn't put a dimension to it, right?
Oh, so it doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter, but make sure not to mention it. So just like leave it, let it do whatever it wants. Okay? But the important thing is, I'm gonna make a line. Oh, it's not a construction line. I'm gonna make a horizontal line. I'm gonna make it tangent to the eye. Oh. Yeah. Wait. Oh. That much. I'm gonna make it tangent to the eye. And then I want this line to also be tangent with the diameter 84 circle. Because I think this is where I messed up, but I think John might have told me that. I just might have misheard him or something. But this line, the line that I'm highlighting right now, it's tangent to both this circle and this circle. So I just use the tangent tool to find its exact location.
Okay, so I did the circle that's 10, and then what's the other circle? What's the diameter of the
It's
other
22.
circle?
22. And then there's an arc here.
Then 22, and then how did you create that? Wait.
The line going down.
Yeah, like from the big circle, from the circle that's 22.
This one? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, someone. Okay. Dia, I'll help you in just a second. Okay. So for this one right here, right? Let me just go back. So now it's not dimension, right? So is this where you're at? Like you can kind of just like move it wherever. Okay.
Yeah.
I made a big vertical line, right? And then I made it tangent to first of all this circle, and then I just trimmed out this top bit because I just didn't want to deal with it for now. And then I also made this line tangent to the diameter 84 circle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me do that. So first, did you just get like a line? Like a
Yep,
random
just
line?
a vertical line. A vertical line. And while you're doing that, Dia, what was your question?
How did you make, I'm trying to copy you, like, with some of your parts. I did it up to, like, where you draw that second circle, like, something.
Wait, can you just... wait, like, the eye circle or, like, the ear circles? Just, like, look at my presentation, like, the one that's in green or the one that's in blue? Or maybe even, like, the one that's in yellow?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's like bottom big circle, the one that's 52.
the one that's 52? Okay, so that would be...
I don't.
The blue circle, right? It's the blue circle.
No, like how did you draw that like line and then like you like put it up? I don't understand.
Oh, for the eyes? The eyes?
No, the line. Yes. Well, kind of though. I used. I
Yeah,
just. I'm only at the point of the bottom.
the bottom circle, right? You
Yeah. I
finished
just.
both bottom circles?
Yeah, but now I just don't know how you like put that line in another line.
Okay. Just watch me for now then. Okay. So first of all, I made a construction line from the origin, right? So just a horizontal construction line, right? That's fine, right? Okay. And then the main thing about it is I type in.
I have to go to a soccer class.
That's fine.
Okay,
We're
bye.
just gonna be going through, and if there's anything that you want to go over, we're
I'll
gonna
just
post it to
watch the
YouTube.
recording for 5 minutes.
Perfect. Yeah.
Bye.
All right. See ya. Okay. Continuing on with the explanation. Okay. So, as we can see, it's an undimensioned horizontal line, and then I'm gonna make a vertical line, right? And then if we check back to the dimension sheet, right? We can see that the eye is up 47 vertically, right? So I'm gonna make this vertical line have dimension of 47, and then just looking at the eye's dimensions, right? The circle in the middle, the circle in the middle has a diameter of 10, and the bigger circle has a diameter of 22, right? 22. All right. Now the special thing is, about where it is horizontally, right? So if we're looking at the drawing, right, it seems that this horizontal line is tangent to both the diameter 84 circle and also the outer circle for the eye, right? So I'm just going to make that line. So I'm going to make a big line. I'm going to, first of all, wait, I'm going to move it over so it looks a bit more drastic. But this line is like, it's kind of like angled, right? And I don't want it to be like that. So I'm going to use the vertical tool to make it perfectly vertical. And then I'm going to make it using the tangent tool, right? The tangent tool. I'm going to make it tangent to the outer circle for the eye and also the diameter 84 circle, and then now it should be perfectly defined. And right now I'm working on, oh, someone has a question. Yeah, what's your question?
So I did the tangent line, but like the circle is touching the big circle, and like there's like this gray piece here, and this circle is going through the big circle. Like I don't know what's wrong.
Okay, if circles are going through other circles right now, it should be fine, because like that's like the 110 circle, right?
Mm,
Yeah, it is, don't worry about it. Okay, so I think you made the line tangent to the wrong circle.
maybe I should undo it.
Okay, just get rid of the. Okay,
Oh,
just
my
get rid of the
gosh.
diameter 110 circle for now. The circle on the outside.
Which this one?
Uh, okay, wait. Can you?
Which one is
like,
110? This?
Yeah, that one right there. Just get rid of that circle for now.
Oh, oops, that's not what I wanted.
That's fine, yeah. Okay, that's perfect, yeah. Okay, and also get rid of the big tangent line or like the big vertical line that you have currently.
Here?
Yeah, that one. Oh wait, that's weird. What do you have your? Oh, you don't have to get. Yeah, you don't have to get rid of that. What do you have your eye dimension to? Or like, can you? Okay, so you see how there's like the sketch pop up.
Yeah, this.
Can you go down and go to show constraints? Click show constraints. That's tangent. Okay, I might just say to like remake the eye because it's
It's weird.
yeah, it's weird because like it's like tangent to something that isn't there right now. Alright, but like, do you know how to make the eye by yourself though?
I'll just look at the video maybe and maybe I'll
Alright,
figure it
yeah.
out.
That helps.
Are
Oh,
we
yeah,
gonna
if
work on the science class or not?
Uh, Unfortunately, I don't think we might like spend like a little bit of time on it, but we also gotta like start working on 3D design soon. So I think we're gonna spend like a little bit of time on it, but like not that much.
Okay. No problem.
All right. Do you have a question?
So like,
Can we leave?
Yeah, you guys can leave. It's like 8 o'clock now. All right, bye
Okay.
guys.
Bye.
so can I? Does that mean I'm still like I'm still stuck on the line.
The lines. Um. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're like out of time now, but like if you check back to the video that we're gonna post, right? The way that I made the eyes is I just made an unconstrained horizontal construction line, and then I made a vertical construction line with with a height of 47. Oh, 47, not 4. 47,
Like this. I'm supposed to do this.
and then a diameter of 10, then a diameter of 22.
Am I supposed to do like this?
Okay, make sure that it's perfectly horizontal. So use the horizontal tool to make sure that's horizontal. You could. Oh wait, just use like Control Z for a little bit. Yeah, just get rid of those circles. All right, now click H, the H key on your keyboard, and click the line that you made. Not that one. That one.
This one?
Oh, go back. I think something might have been. Just back. Yeah, click the second. Yeah, click that line with the horizontal tool. So click H. Yeah, perfect. Now make another line. Yeah, there. And it's gonna have a dimension of 47. Oh, you go back. You accidentally used the horizontal tool on it.
Yeah, try to use that.
No, you want to use the vertical tool. The line that's straight up.
So V.
Yeah, V.
It was already easier.
Yeah. All right, now use the dimension tool to make it have a vertical height of 47.
So D
Yeah, D.
to make a what? Like this?
To make it have a height of 47.
Okay, let me find 40. Wait, where do I get 40 from then?
You type it into your keyboard.
Okay.
All right, and then from there, since we're running out of time, I'd ask you just like check back into the video, that we're gonna post. But it's just like making the eyes tangent to another vertical line, right? But those lines that you have are perfect for the basis of what the eye is gonna go on. Okay, Leah?
Yep. I just want to ask you one more question.
Yeah.
So, I mean, like the next class we're doing 3D?
Next class, we should hopefully start at least learning like the basics of 3D.
Because I'm gonna try to make myself here 3D.
Perfect. All right. Maying and Bhupesh, do you guys have like any questions?
Do you want lemonade?
All right. But yeah, you guys can leave if you guys don't have any questions. All right. Bye guys. See you on Thursday.
I'm just gonna be the last person to leave now. I'm just not gonna leave until everybody else leaves.
As long as John leaves, the meeting will also end, I believe.
No, not for me. Last person.
Really?
I think I have it set so it doesn't end when I leave.
Oh no.
I think I can set it to do that.
I guess you can just like stay by yourself. Oh wait, Bhupesh, do you have a question or? Just type in the chat. Alright, I'm just gonna end the recording right now.